Hi, I'm Asha Newbold and I am here today on Pump Lane at this detached chalet bungalow. Now this property is conveniently located and beautifully designed for any family. I can't wait to show you inside, so follow me. To summarise, this property offers 4 bedrooms, 2 offering en-suites and walk-in wardrobes. You have a lounge, a kitchen diner and a family bathroom, as well as a spacious entrance hall with ample storage. I bet you wasn't expecting this. Now take a look at this beautiful kitchen dining family room, the ultimate dream room for any family to enjoy entertaining and general family life. It's just beautiful. The kitchen offers integrated AEG appliances including a double oven, a hob and hood and dishwasher, as well as space for a large American style fridge freezer and a convenient utility room off of the kitchen. The property is located within access to the Rainham Grammar School, the Howard School and the Rainham School for Girls, as well as Rainham train station. For primary schools, you have the Twiddle Primary School and the St Thomas of Canterbury Catholic School. And here we have the lounge, a beautiful environment for any family to relax and enjoy and appreciate the view from this beautiful bay window, offering ample light. To the first floor, we have 2 double bedrooms, both offering en-suites and walk-in wardrobes. It is so spacious and light. An extra feature is that the glass doors match the wallpaper on the opposite wall. There's also French doors onto a roof terrace overlooking the garden.
All these things I remember, 'cause we are stay there forever.
As you can see, the garden is still a little bit of a work in progress, but look at the potential that it has. And with the right hands, this garden could be beautiful. So that concludes our tour of this stunning property on Pump Lane. So if you'd like to arrange a viewing, give me a call on the number below and I'll get it arranged for you.
All these things